guys saw the Evo, well, basically in the beginning when we put in the coilovers and whatnot. A whole lot has been done. I'm pretty sure I'll have a video today in this video of what I have done updated to. I mean, I put in a clutch. The Evo was down for a weekend. I went to Horse Stable Automotives. I'll have their link in the description for sure. I got the ACT HDSS. It's super stiff and it is not a street clutch for sure, but you'll get used to it. I mean, I'm on day 4 maybe of driving it, and it's definitely feeling good. I'm getting used to it faster. It was a pretty expensive job, but totally worth it when you're trying to get power. Alright, so the clutch got installed, the ACT HDSS got installed. It's a pretty hard clutch, it's stiff, and it engages really quick. I don't know if that's the adjustment, but it does work well, and you can feel the shifts going in really good. The break-in period for the clutch, it's not so much a braking period, but more of a breaking in the clutch gear by gear. Now they recommend 500 miles, but to be on the safe side, I'm gonna do 700. As you can see, we got the gauges. We got the air fuel ratio gauge and the boost gauge by Prosport and AEM. Shout out to Danny for helping me out on that. He's been helping me out with the build a whole lot, and he's been giving me advice on what to do and who to tune with, which I am tuned by Wasatch Turbo Factory, also known as What the Fuck Tuned. So a couple of things that are still left on the Evo are obviously tints, because you can see the whole world through this window over here. They can see me. It's kind of awkward when you're at a stop sign or at a stop light, and you know they're looking at you awkwardly, like, man, look at this kid driving this car. Whatever, you know. Other than that, things that are still left for the car are probably gonna go E85 more than likely at the end of the year. You know, injectors, fuel pump. As far as E85, I'll probably go down to Wasatch Turbo Factory and definitely get the retune over there. Had the little guy right here with me. He was recording me, so it was so up close and personal. But that's all right. No problems. So we'll head over there and I'll show you guys all the mods on the car and everything that's basically on it from inside and out that I've done to it so far. And I'll have links in the description for sure to let you guys know what to buy. So I figured we'd start in the inside. I mean, nothing has really changed since the beginning. You know, I got the Recaro seats, pretty typical for Evos. I got the little Mishimoto cross-threaded, kind of messed it up, didn't put it in right. That's okay, that's fine. And as far as the gauges, this is how it'll start. So I mean, AEM gauge for air fuel ratio and the Prosport boost gauge. I mean, interior, plain and simple. Nothing too big, didn't really want to concentrate on that for this build. You know, on the outside, you know, you can see that no wing. I took it off, I figured it would be a lot better to go without the wing. It really concentrates how the exhaust is right there and it just really pops out.
He said it was called a butt. Wow.
The butt, a whole lot more. The exhaust that I'm running is currently the HKS High Flow, I believe it is. I got it off of some website. It was on special, so I decided to get it. It was like $500. It's totally worth it. I'll probably do a run by later when my tune is complete because it'll make it a whole lot louder. But as far as that, reflectors, LEDs, so you can see. That's how it'll look like. I mean, it'll look better, a whole lot better at night. But that's it for the rear. So as far as the wheels, I went with MiRo Wheels at 18 by 10.5 plus 20 or 22. They do not clear Brembos in the front, so I did go with 5mm spacers. Just get those offline. You can really get them anywhere. The fronts I put them on because it would barely on the Brembo brakes. So I mean, yeah, MiRo wheels, I'm not sure which ones they are specifically. I think they only make like 3, but they work out fine. I really like the fitment on it. It's for now, because the wheels that I want is the RS5 OR and keys. Those are dream wheels, but it'll take a while to obviously get those. And as far as tires, I have Falcons on there. They're 275 to 35 18. I mean, they look really, really beefy from the back, from the front. Doesn't matter. Really beefy. So as far as the front, we have the Vortex Lip. I mean, I got it off of Walmart. I don't know why I would want to get the freaking the original one. Screw it. I don't care. I want to focus on performance for this build specifically. I mean, it does look aggressive. It looks really good. So I went with it. Paint matched, obviously. It would look better in black if it brings down black to black and spreads it out. But I just went white. Just wanted to keep it white on white all around. Banner-wise, I have the Lowers Lifestyle banner. You get that online off of them again. I'll put it on the description on the bottom. And then Unrecognized, these guys have helped me out from the beginning on my Lancer, which you guys saw in the previous build, previous video. And yeah, shout out to them. Shout out to Lower Lifestyle. Definitely always shouting you out if you have one of those banners. So check them out for sure. But as far as that, that concludes my walk around. Roll the credits.